Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A QuickBooks statement prints information already recorded by statement charges and other receivables transactions. Therefore, you can't edit the statement's information directly through the statement window. A typical statement covers a time period and shows the customer's previous balance, any new charges that were accrued, any payments or credits that you have received and applied to their account, and the new balance for the customer during the period that is specified. A statement can simply show information, such as invoices sent to and payments received from a customer over a time period, or they can be used for billing, showing statement charges that are due and requesting payment of those charges. To create statements, select Customers from the menu bar, and then choose the Create Statements command in order to view the Create Statements window. In the Create Statements window, you can decide what type of statement you will be creating by setting the desired parameters. First, you enter the statement date by using the Statement Date Calendar Date selector. This date will appear at the top of each statement and will also appear as the billed date for billing statements. Next, you choose what type of statement to send. The statement can either show transactions from one date to another, or it can show all open transactions as of the statement date that you entered. To create a statement that shows all transactions over a specified date range, you would choose the Statement Period From option and then select the first date from the adjacent calendar date selector. Then select the ending date for the transactions by selecting the ending date from the To calendar date selector. To instead show all open transactions, select the All Open Transactions as of Statement Date option. If you select that option, you can check the Include Only Transactions over X days past the due date option, and then enter the number of days in order to create a statement that shows only past due charges if desired. Next, select the customers to whom you want to send the statements by choosing one of the available option buttons and then making any additional selections as needed in the Select Customers section. Once you've finished that, you can then set any additional options that you would like your statements to possess by making your desired selections from the checkboxes available in the Select Additional Options section. Also note that you can use the Template drop-down to select a custom statement template if available. Now, if you would like to assess finance charges, you can click the Assess Finance Charges button within the Create Statements window to bring up the Assess Finance Charges window. Here you will assess finance charges on any customers and customer jobs that are selected with a check mark. You can remove the checks from the customers selected if you don't want to assess a charge on them. The finance charges are shown in the rightmost column, and they are calculated based on the default finance charge settings that you created within the Preferences window. You can change the amount shown by typing the desired amount to charge into the column if needed. In order to then apply them, you would click the Assess Charges button to assess any charges shown. That will then return you to the Create Statements window again. Here you can click the Preview button to preview the statements that you will send. When you're ready, simply click the Print button to print the statements.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.